not be silenced!
I will not be silenced!
I will not be moved!
I will not be moved!
Breathe!
I can't breathe!
I can't breathe!
I can't breathe!
Here we are. Katie. Here we go. Here we are.
I don't think that's how it should.
Here we are. Here we are. Here we are. Here we are. Here we
I'm trying to full black police officers. And they don't give a fuck. They haven't said a word since we got here. Fuck about your position. Bitch, I'm in the military. I don't give a fuck about your position. I don't give a fuck about none of that. Ain't nobody gonna hold my freedom of speech back for nothing.
Well, thank you for tomorrow. Thank you for another day. Thank you for another dream. Thank you for waking up. Thank you for keeping us here. Thank you for protecting us. God, I thank you. I will continue to praise you. I will continue to praise you.